In this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about equivalent fractions. So I just wanted to tell you again what equivalent fraction means. It just means that in an object, if the size and shape of a colored part is the same as the size and shape of another colored part of a different model, then we know those fractions will be equivalent. So let's look at that in a bit more detail using the diagrams. So it says here, complete the equivalent fraction sentence. So in this little model, we could see that there's 8 equivalent shapes, equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we know that there's 4 shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you write that in a fraction, it equals to 4 over 8. But what's the equivalent fraction with a 4 on the bottom? So that would mean instead of having 8 equal parts, we would have 4 equal parts. So how would that look? That would look like this. So there's 4 equal parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can see that the shaded area here is exactly the same as the shaded area here. But how many parts are there? 1, 2. So we could just write that in. And we could put it here. 2 equal parts on this one. So the equivalent fraction is 2 over 4. And it's that simple to create an equivalent fraction. You just redraw this. This model. Instead of it having 8 parts, you redraw it with 4 parts, and then you fill in the number of shaded parts, which is 2. And that's it. And just rewatch the video if you don't understand this completely, and you will understand it. Anyone can do math.